A farmer had a little farm that overlooked a high cliff. He had a son. His son was disobedient. The farmer spent most of his life working in the farm, to the point that he was not able to work anymore. So he spent most of his time when he grew old sitting on the porch of the farm, while his son was working most of the time in the farm. One day, the disobedient son got so frustrated by his dad that he made a wood coffin and dragged it to the porch where his dad was sitting. When his dad saw that, he peacefully stood and walked to the coffin and lied down in the coffin. His son closed the lid of the coffin and dragged the wood coffin with his dad inside to the cliff. He heard a gentle tapping on the lid of the coffin. He opened the wood lid of the coffin and shouted at his dad, "What do you want?" His dad peacefully replied, "I know you want to throw me over the cliff and get rid of me. But before you do this, I want you to save this coffin for your children, because they might need to use it with you." The moral of the story is, no matter what you do to your parents, it will get back to you sooner or later. You have to always appreciate their presence in your life. If you have a dad or mom, try to treat them well and appreciate their presence in your life. Don't be disobedient to your parents, no matter what they do to you. And if you do so, you reap what you sow.